For today's assignment, you're going to go ahead and look at some 10 frames, and you're going to count how many 10s and 1s are shown. So just like we did in today's lesson, you're going to count how many 10s there are and also how many 1s are there in this picture. Then after that, you're going to put equals what number. So what number do you get with your 10s and your 1s? After that, you're going to go ahead and go to the next slide. And right here it says write how many 10s and 1s are equal to each number. So how many 10s and 1s are in the number 84? How many 10s and 1s are in the number 92? And how many 10s and 1s are in the number 35? Make sure to look at the digits and draw your number next to it. So draw your number right here, and it will help you to see how many 10s there are and how many 1s there are. Okay, you're going to go ahead and use that pencil button again and make sure you save your work when you're done. Turn it into Google Classroom for your teacher, and I'll see you next time in math. Bye.